Hello everyone, today we will be making this chair using SolidWorks, and if you want to know how to add colors and texture to it, you can comment down below. I will make a separate video on this. So let's go sketch, and then we will select the plane, front plane, and for in the first part what we will do is that we will first make the chair without the foot, and then we will add foot later. So let's go. First we will make the line. Okay, as you can see in the sketch given. Okay, it is done. Now we will add dimension to it. So as you know, as the part where as this line will be defined, it will turn black. A black line means it is fully defined. So let's go. We will define all the lines here. Okay, we are defining it from the sketch. So as you can see, it is 20 mm, and this part is of 90 mm plus 3. As you can see, 90 plus 3 mm. Okay, done. And this is 120. Okay, done. Now it has been done. So for the fillet part, what we will do is that first we will extrude it, and as you can see, the width of just the cushion is of 70 mm. That is 35 mm on the either side. 35 and 35 on both sides, direction 1 and direction 2. Okay, it has been done. Now we will add fillet, the curve in the cushion of 27 mm radius. 27. Okay, done. And now we will add curve to its extreme points of 5 mm radius. Using what we are using is fillet, and fillet is used to make the sharp corners curved. Okay, done. Now we will go to sketch and sketch our feet of the chair. Okay, done. We will use the center line to mark all the important points, and firstly we will make a the reference. We are using a center line to make the reference for our actual foot of the chair. Okay, done. Okay, now it has been done. So now we need to define it all. As you can see, it is of 24 mm, and these are 3 mm apart. This is of 70 mm. This part is of 10 mm. You can clearly see in the sketch, provided sketch. 16 mm. This part is going to be of 10 mm. As you can see, the radius is 183 and 173, so it is 10 mm part. Okay, done. Now we will make the center line to align it perfectly. This part is 90 by 2, so it is 45. Now this has been done. What we will do is that we will select these 3 and make them symmetric. Now we will add curves. You can see the curve of 173 mm radius. Okay, done. Similarly, on the bottom side also we will curve. What we will do is that make them symmetric and then add curve to it. Arc we are using, and center arc we are using right now. Now it has been done. We need to define it. It is of 173 and 183 mm radius. Now this part is done. Now we will use line to make our fit of the chair. Okay, then now we need to constrain it, define it properly. If we do that, use the center line and make the upper point of the chair, corner of the chair, to be consistent with the center line. Okay. Now we will extrude it to 10 mm. Okay. Now we will select the plane, that is a front plane, and then select the feature both and select mirror from the features. Okay, now then both of our legs are ready. Now we need to add that curve, that fillet of 5 mm radius. Okay, as you can see in the sketch. Okay. Our chair is done now. If you want to know about how to color it, add texture it, just comment. Thank you.